Are you wondering whether Modalyst or Spocket offers better delivery times for your dropshipping business? This is one of the most important factors when choosing a platform, and in this video, we'll compare both so you can make an informed decision. But stick around, because I'll also be sharing a better alternative for faster delivery times at the end of the video, so don't miss out. First off, let's talk about Modalyst. It's a popular dropshipping platform known for its wide variety of products and its integration with Shopify and other major e-commerce platforms. When it comes to delivery times, Modalyst has a decent range, with suppliers mostly located in the US and Europe. But here's the catch: while many suppliers offer fast shipping, some products can still take up to 15 days to reach customers. It really depends on the supplier, so it's crucial to vet them carefully. Next thing, let's dive into Spocket. Spocket has been gaining traction lately, particularly because it focuses heavily on fast shipping times. Most of its suppliers are based in the US and Europe, which can give you a significant advantage if you're targeting customers in these regions. The platform claims to offer shipping times as fast as 2 to 5 days for most orders, which is a huge selling point. However, like Modalyst, the delivery time can vary depending on the specific supplier and the product. Some suppliers still take longer, but on average, Spocket tends to have a faster track record for speedy deliveries. The third thing to note is pricing. Both Modalyst and Spocket have free plans, but to get access to their premium suppliers and unlock the fastest shipping options, you'll need to upgrade. Modalyst's premium plan will run you about $35 a month, while Spocket's premium plan costs around $49 per month. But here's the kicker: Modalyst can get pretty expensive once you start scaling, especially with its transaction fees on certain plans. Spocket, on the other hand, is generally more affordable for businesses looking for a reliable, fast shipping solution. Next up, let's talk about ease of use. Modalyst has an intuitive interface, but it can feel a bit overwhelming if you're new to dropshipping. There's a lot of data to digest, and some features may require a learning curve. On the other hand, Spocket's interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it a solid choice for beginners who want to get started quickly without too much hassle. For anyone looking to get their store running smoothly with fast shipping options, Spocket wins here in terms of user experience. Lastly, customer service. Both platforms offer customer support, but Modalyst support can sometimes be slow to respond, especially if you're on a lower tier plan. Spocket, however, has earned praise for its responsive support team, which can be a lifesaver when you're dealing with time-sensitive orders and customers waiting on products. Now, both Modalyst and Spocket are solid options, but after trying both of them myself, if you're truly looking for the fastest delivery times and an easier, more reliable solution, I recommend checking out the platform in the first link in the description. It's an alternative that I found to be even better for fast delivery times. And by using the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, while Modalyst and Spocket have their perks, if you want a faster, more efficient option, this is your chance to take advantage of a better alternative.